Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of High Ride Garage. Paolo here, and today I'm going to present you with one of the most funny helmet that the MotoGP paddock has ever produced. So obviously, who else could be producing such a helmet other than Valentino Rossi? So let's have a look at this helmet, which in my opinion is not only one of the funniest one, but is actually extremely striking in terms of graphics. So you will see in a minute. And here we have it, guys. So here we have the donkey, El Sumer, just like Valentino Rossi himself actually fought of himself in the GP of Indianapolis when he unfortunately fell out of the lead and he lost 25 points. That was the MotoGP season of 2009, and that was actually the last season where Valentino Rossi actually claimed the world title, claimed the 9th world title of the doctor. So in this occasion, as soon as he fell off, he actually thought of himself as a donkey, and therefore he decided actually to replace the famous doctor with the donkey. So as you can see, the graphic itself actually it comes directly from the movie Shrek, and he went all the way to win that race in Misano, the following race from the Indianapolis. So he was funny, but at the same time very motivating for himself to actually have such a helmet, such a graphic on his helmet for the home fans, the MotoGP of Misano, which is of course the one that is closest to his house in Tavuglia. So other than the fact that this helmet is extremely gorgeous, we can actually see that this is a GP Tech, and the GP Tech at the time would come as limited edition, and in this particular case is the number 1477 of 2500, and this is in size M, which is 57-58 centimeters or around the head. So as you can see here, we have the British motorcycle stamp, which is for quality, for safety quality, and we also have the tribe of Chihuahua and the little turtle that we took also before. And in terms of graphic, we finish off with the moon and the sun, so it is typical design. So, and all around it's blue, beautiful blue, of remindful of the sunset, or remindful of the sun and the sky, beautiful blue sky that you can get on the Adriatic coast. So guys, I really do hope that you have enjoyed this episode, and I hope that you will give it a thumb up, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and don't forget to actually watch all the other legendary helmet video clips that I have on the channel. And if you are so interested in these helmets as a collection, so we are big collectors fan here on the channel, don't forget to visit my eBay store directly at High Ride Garage on eBay. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.